Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The questions to add up all these fractions to calculate the value. In this video, we will share the methods to find the fractions patterns, then calculate the value. Would you please to submit, pause the video, and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the methods. Let's take a look for these fractions in the given information. The question is to sum of them. I don't intend to calculate them one by one. Instead, I find the denominator of each fraction of them with 2 power 4. And the 2 power 4 will add another value with 2 base. The indices of these 2 base increase by 1 from the last fractions. 2 power 8, then 2 power 7, 2 power 6, 2 power 5, till 2 power 1, and 1. 1 can be adjusted as 2 power 0. Another finding, compare the difference of indices with 2 base in every denominators. 2 power 4 and 2 power 8. The indices difference is 4. 2 power 4 and 2 power 7. The indices difference is 3. After that, this all the indices value difference to 1, and the other items minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 0 for each fractions. My approach is rearrange the sequence of each fractions. That the indices of 2 base difference minus 4 and 4, then minus 3 and 3, minus 2 and 2, minus 1 and 1. As 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 0, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 8, 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 7, 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 squared, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 6, 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 cubed, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 5. Then leave the single item 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 4. After that, add up each group. The first one, 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 0, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 8. 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 8 equal to 1 over 2 power 4 time bracket 1 plus 2 power 4 bracket 2 power 0 equal to 1. This is the same factor 1 plus 2 power 4. Reduction become 1 fractions as 2 power 4 plus 1 over 2 power 4 times quantity 1 plus 2 power 4. Eliminate factor 2 power 4 plus 1 in these fractions. We get 1 over 2 power 4. The next group, 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 1 plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 7. The denominator 2 power 4 plus 2 power 7 in the second fractions equal to 2 power 4 time bracket 1 plus 2 cubed bracket. Reductions become a fraction as 2 cubes plus 1 over 2 power 4 time quantity 1 plus 2 cubed equal to 1 over 2 power 4. We find certain value patterns. Okay, back to our questions. The first group equal to 1 over 2 power 4. Second group equal to 1 over 2 power 4. The third group add up equal to 2 squared plus 1 over 2 power 4 time quantity 1 plus 2 squared equal to 1 over 2 power 4. The fourth group add up equal to 2 power 1 plus 1 over 2 power 4 times quantity 1 plus 2 power 1 equal to 1 over 2 power 4. Then add up all these items. After that, plus 1 over 2 power 4 plus 2 power 4 equal to 4 over 2 power 4 plus 1 over 2 times 2 power 4. Reduction as 8 plus 1 over 2 times 2 power 4 equal to 9 over 32. It is the add-up value. That's the pattern we find and calculate it. Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.